Waterless Car Wash cleans your vehicle efficiently, saves water, protects paint, and reduces environmental impact. Today's video is about top 5 best waterless car wash that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Chemical Guys Waterless Car Wash. The Chemical Guys system, CLY 700, by Chemical Guys is an all-in-one car detailing kit designed to restore your vehicle's paint to a smooth, flawless finish. The kit includes a high-quality clay bar, clay lubricant, applicator, towel, and essential accessories, making it perfect for both beginners and professional detailers. The detailing clay bar effectively removes embedded dirt such as overspray, brake dust, rail dust, and industrial fallout that traditional washing can't eliminate, revealing a cleaner, shinier surface. The included clay lubricant ensures the clay glides smoothly across the paint, minimizing the risk of marring while maximizing cleaning performance. This system preps the paint for polishing, waxing, or applying sealants and ceramic coatings, ensuring optimal bonding and long-lasting results. Safe for all vehicles, it works on cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats, and is compatible with clear coat, chrome, glass, plastic, and paint protection films. Overall, the CLY 700 is a versatile, professional-grade starter kit that makes achieving a polished, showroom-quality finish simple and efficient. Now our second product is Aero Cosmetics Waterless Car Wash. The Waterless Car Wash by this brand is a premium, versatile detailing solution that cleans, protects, and enhances shine without the need for water. This spray-on formula functions as a car wash, wax, and detailer, leaving a non-stick UV protective coating on all vehicle surfaces, including ceramic coatings, waxes, sealants, and protection films. Simply spray and wipe dry for a spotless finish, perfect for use anywhere, from garages and parking lots to RV parks. Formulated with aircraft-grade wax used by Air Force One, Marine One, NASA, and other aviation and corporate fleets for over 35 years, it delivers professional quality results for cars, boats, and RVs. The water-based, alcohol and ammonia-free eco-friendly formula is biodegradable and safe for all surfaces inside and out, without causing eye or skin irritation. The kit includes 128-ounce wash wax all, a 16-ounce bottle, for microfiber towels, and a mini bug scrubber pad, making it ideal for convenient, on-the-go detailing. This product protects paint, enhances gloss, and provides effortless, high-quality care for your vehicle. Our third product is FW1 Wash Wax Waterless Car Wash. The high-performance car wash soap is a premium wash and wax solution designed to give your vehicle a showroom-quality shine. Its unique formula combines powerful cleaning agents, advanced lubricants, and natural carnauba wax to safely lift dirt, grime, and road contaminants without scratching or damaging the paint. Not only does it clean effectively, but it also leaves a protective layer of wax on the surface, enhancing gloss and providing a smooth, water-repellent finish. This dual-action formula reduces the need for multiple products, saving time while delivering professional quality results. Gentle on all paint types, the Wash and Wax soap is safe for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and other vehicles. It works well with both hand washes and foam guns, making it versatile for any detailing setup. Overall, this high-performance car wash soap combines superior cleaning, protection, and shine in one easy-to-use product, making it an essential addition to any car care routine. Your vehicle will look cleaner, glossier, and more vibrant after every wash. Now number 4, Ecoshine Waterless Car Wash Wax Pro is a powerful waterless car wash concentrate that makes vehicle detailing fast, affordable, and highly effective. With this advanced formula, you can wash and wax over 100 cars with just one bottle, costing mere cents per use. It lifts dirt, enhances shine, and leaves a protective wax layer, all without rinsing, saving time, water, and effort while delivering a streak-free, glossy finish, perfect for home garages, apartments, or on-the-go use. Wash Wax Pro works anywhere, making it ideal for areas with water restrictions or tight spaces. Its no-rinse formula eliminates runoff and simplifies car care, so you can achieve professional results without hoses, buckets, or messy cleanups. This concentrate is versatile, easy to use, and economical, allowing you to shine multiple vehicles quickly. With Wash Wax Pro, car cleaning becomes faster, cleaner, and more convenient, providing a durable protective layer and brilliant gloss every time, making your vehicle look polished and showroom ready with minimal effort. And our last choice is Flowgenix Waterless Car Wash. Flowgenix Grand Finale is a breakthrough waterless detailing spray designed to clean, shine, and protect your car or motorcycle with ease. Its advanced formula dissolves dirt on contact while providing long-lasting protection, eliminating the need for messy water washes or soapy buckets. The proprietary wax and ceramic detail spray instantly delivers a showroom quality, mirror-like shine and forms a durable ceramic coating that lasts up to 6 months. This coating creates an impenetrable, hydrophobic shield, protecting your vehicle from scratches, streaks, and environmental damage. Engineered with nanotechnology, it repels water and binds instantly to any surface, offering superior protection and a modern waterless wash experience. Each kit includes 2 premium edgeless microfiber towels for safe, effective application and drying, ensuring a flawless, streak-free finish every time. Flowgenix Grand Finale not only enhances the appearance of your vehicle but also extends its lifespan, saves time, and reduces maintenance costs. It's the ultimate all-in-one solution for fast, professional, and reliable car care. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.